Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. I just wanted to give you an update on this Kundo clock I'm working on. It got the movement back together. Unfortunately, where the pallet went in there, I broke one of the ends on it. And I ordered some parts on eBay, another movement. This one also, the spring click, we were having issues with it. It looks like it had a manufacturer's defect on it. So depending on what that other movement looks like off of eBay, I may just swap out the movement and use the one I got off of eBay, depending on what it looks like. This one doesn't look like it was working correctly anyway. But I'm still going to try to make a working clock out of it. And then I have another project over here. I'm working on a cuckoo clock. It's all in pieces. I'll have to rework the bellows on it, but I think I can make a good working clock out of it. Here's another project clock I just got in. It was at this antique store, and I've seen it there a couple times before. I finally broke down and bought it. Well, apparently it's got a broken spring in it, so I may have a spare spring that'll work. But it's a Fosco. Stands for Franco-American Supply Company. That's the information I found online. Here's a big old door I took off so I can get easier access to the movement. But that's another project that I'll be working on here at the old antique clock shop. Thanks for watching.